How to permanently delete Facebook account. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. This is Rose and without further ado, let's get started. Launch Facebook app on your device. Navigate to three-line menu icon at top right corner. Now tap setting icon at top right corner. Tap see more in account center. Scroll down and navigate to personal details. Tap on account ownership and control and select deactivation or deletion. Choose your Facebook account and choose delete account. Now tap on continue button and the page and additional Facebook profiles will be deleted. If you're okay with that, tap continue and select the reason why you want to delete Facebook. Then tap continue and staying safe on Facebook. You can try this alternative if you do not want to delete your account. But for now, let's tap continue. Here, you can easily scroll down and look for all this informations and tap on continue. Now enter the Facebook password, then tap on continue button and with that, your Facebook account will be permanently deleted. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.